In this lesson, we're going to look at the distributive property. Now, the distributive property is simply the distribution of an operator over another. And if we look at the example here, we'd see that what we have in front is A multiply by open bracket B plus C. And we call it distributive because we can distribute this multiplication symbol, this one here, over the B and the C as such, to read off as A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. We can consider operations as distributive if it holds to this rule. If a general number A operates, and I'm using this symbol to represent any operator, so any operator, you could replace that symbol with it. If A operates on open bracket B and operating on C, then also this here represents any operator. Alright, so if A operates on open bracket B operating on C is equivalent to A operating on B operating on A operating on C. So if it is that this is distributive, then this here should hold. So let's test it for something like what we had here. If 2 open bracket multiply by open bracket 3 plus 4 is distributive, then the value for this part should be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 4. Notice the multiplication actually distributed over the addition sign. And let's see what results we get from this. We have 6 plus 8 to give us 14. And on this side we have 7 multiplied by 2, which also gives us 14. Let's try another few operators to see if it's distributive. Let's say, for instance, that I have something such as 4 divided by open bracket 6 minus 2 close bracket. That should be distributive if the value there is equivalent to the value of 4 divided by 6 minus 4 divided by 2. And let's check that again, and we see 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1 on this side. Let's check this side. 4 divided by 6 is 2 on 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 2/3 minus 2 will be 1 and 1/3. And it's going to be negative. And you can see right away that this does not match this side. So it is not distributive.